Feeling sluggish and bloated? What if the secret to vibrant health lies within your gut? Biome is your key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. Our unique formula rebalances your intestinal flora, paving the way for improved digestion and overall well-being. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to vitality. Imagine a life free from bloating and digestive issues. Biome helps reduce those unwanted symptoms, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods without worry. It's time to reclaim control of your digestive health. A healthy gut is the foundation of a strong immune system. Biome naturally increases your immunity, helping your body defend against illness and stay resilient year-round. Feel stronger and more protected. With improved nutrient absorption, you'll experience a surge of energy and vitality. Biome ensures your body gets the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Get ready to feel the difference. Don't wait any longer to experience the incredible benefits of Biome. Visit our website today to learn more and place your order. Start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Click the link in the description and use code HEALTHY for 15% off your first order.